How to turn off headphone safety notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Hearing section and tap on Audio and Visual. Here, scroll down and turn off the headphones notification switch as shown. Tap on Turn Off again to confirm. Listening to loud headphone audio for an extended time can lead to hearing loss. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn off headphone safety notifications on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.